With Dynamics 365 Fraud Protection, CloudWar can create decision rules to determine which accounts are considered safe, which should be watched, and which should be blocked. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, you can. Dynamics 365 Human Resources can manage compensation plans. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. We utilize Dynamics 365 Finance and Power BI. We intend to develop operational data analytics for retail stores distributed across the United States. The company seeks assistance in developing a Power BI visualization that effectively analyzes customer visit data based on population demographics in regions where stores are situated. Which Power BI visualization should you recommend? A. Basic maps. B. Persona chart. C. Bar chart. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. The recommended Power BI visualization for the company's needs is a basic maps. We have two legal entities. We may sell items exclusively under one company or distributed between both. A solution is required to standardize the items across these entities. A. Lifecycle services. B. Item templates. C. Products and product masters. D. Product insights. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. The most appropriate solution is lifecycle services, as it provides an integrated approach to managing product life cycles, ensuring consistency, reducing emissions. CloudWar implements the performance management feature in Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Which performance management component can employees create by using the employee self-service workspace? A. Polls. B. Workflows. C. Performance reviews. D. Performance journal. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Employees can create journals for themselves, can choose to share them with their manager. Managers can create journals for their team and can choose to share them with their employees. We are implementing expense management capabilities in Dynamics 365 Finance. We can configure the system to use workflows for reviews of cash advance requests. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. Which three actions can vendor perform with our Dynamics 365 supply chain management? A. Change the inventory cost of items. B. Submit invoices electronically. C. Create transfer orders. T. Respond to a request for quote. E. Approve purchase orders. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. The three most critical actions vendors should perform in Dynamics 365 supply chain management are: submit invoices electronically that facilitates efficient and quick accounting processes. Respond to a request for quote, which is foundational for decision-making and future vendor management. And approve purchase orders. Legal entities are used to segment the financial transaction for a company for tax purposes. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, legal entities are indeed used to segment financial transactions for tax purposes. Each legal entity can have its own tax reporting requirements and obligations, making it essential for compliance with local laws. Legal entities are used to segment the financial postings of a legal entity, not assist in compliance audit mitigation. We implement Dynamics 365 Finance with supply chain management capabilities. We implement the procurement and sourcing modules. Partially receiving and invoicing purchase orders is a common practice. We partially receive and invoice a purchase order. What is the status of the purchase order? A. Received. B. Invoiced. C. Open order. D. Cancelled. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. The purchase order status is open order. This occurs when partial receipt is made before full invoicing or billing. We have implemented Dynamics 365 Project Operations and is now configuring the invoice posting module within for project. Which two invoices can we post for the project? A. Elimination. D. Approval. C. Fee. G. Expense. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Elimination. This step involves removing adjustments or changes that are no longer relevant to the project before posting the final invoice. Expense. The first expense is posted after approval, reflecting the initial time and material costs. After elimination, another expense is posted to show the adjusted costs. Not forget to like and subscribe.